Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use red color. Red color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God. G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use black color. Black color. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use green color. Green color. M. M for moon. And again use green color. Green color. It's now draw N. N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. Kids now draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw S. S for sun. Kids now draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. And use black color. black color. U for umbrella. Kids night V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use green color. Green color. W for wolf. And again use green color. Green color. Kids night X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use blue color. Blue color. 4. The numbers of 4. 5. The numbers of 5. And again use blue color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. And use red color. Red color. 7. The numbers of 7. 8. The numbers of 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 10. The numbers of 10. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.